How's it going? It's Matt from Matt's Dad Blog. As you can see, I'm back in the car today because Madison and I are heading off to the pumpkin patch. There she is. So we're heading over to a place local here. It's called Bates Nut Farm, or as I affectionately call it, Nate's Butt Farm. And it seems quite a few people do because they also have a t-shirt that says Nate's Butt Farm on it. But it's actually a really cool place. They have some farm animals there year-round for people to take a look at, and they actually do farm nuts. They have all kinds of nut and fruit trees on the property, along with a little petting zoo this time of year, some little carnival-type rides, and things like that. The crown jewel of the place, though, is their general store. They have an old-timey general store on the property. They have a lot of cool things, mostly their own products, their nuts and candies that they make. Probably our favorite thing is these little orange sticks. They're about that long, and they have like an orange jelly type stuff inside of them. And then they're covered with dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and I think white chocolate too. But they're delicious. So if you're ever in San Diego and you're looking for something that's kind of off the beaten path, definitely check out Bates Nut Farm. They do seasonal events, obviously, in the month of October, rather starting at the end of September through October. They've got a pumpkin patch. They also, I think, have a Christmas tree lot, or at the very least some Christmas events, and then a few other things throughout the year. So definitely check them out. We've got about an hour drive, so we're going to get going. We just finished up some lunch. As you can see, Maddie's still finishing up hers. How's that nugget? Good. Good. And we'll see you when we get there. So after about an hour drive, we made it to the pumpkin patch.
Yay!
Yay, pumpkin patch.
Oh yeah, pumpkin patch.
Oh yeah, pumpkin patch. So we're going to go in and see what we can find. We've been here the last 2 years to get our pumpkins. We've got a couple of really great ones. They have pumpkins of all sizes here. They got from the gigantic, display type, sculpture pumpkins, all the way down to the little paint them and stick them on your porch pumpkins. So let's see what we can get into.
Daddy, it's very soft.
Is it?
Yeah.
Here, why don't you try feeding some goats? Here, put some in your hand and then put it on the... Let me dump some in your hand. And then put it on the floor in front of him. Put it on the floor in front of him, baby. Here, let me dump some in your hand. Just one hand. Okay, now dump it for him.
We are practicing our social distancing.
Okay.
What that means
Is that fun?
Yeah. I want to try petting a plant.
Okay, be careful, baby. Someone else is taking a turn.
That's spiky, Daddy.
Is it spiky?
Yeah. Let me feel it. It's spiky.
I'll feel it in a second. You want to try to feed him too?
Yeah.
James, let's go to Tony's. Alright, watch everything.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Uh-oh. Did we bonk? Don't chase them. If they don't want you to touch them, don't force them.
Wait, got one.
You did?
Yeah.
Do you want to try feeding the duckies?
Yeah.
That's something you're good at, huh? They might not like it.
They're eating it.
They are?
Yeah.
Cool.
They just don't know where it's at because that food's too small. That was soft.
They're a different kind of chicken.
Ooh, that was really soft.
Those are what they call Banty chickens.
Is that cute? That's cute.
Okay, let's go pet that bunny rabbit again. He's going under the chair. That means he's scared. He's trying to get away. You want to give him some food?
Yeah.
I'll take your cup, Maddie.
Huh? No. Perfect.
Good job.
Now let's go find some animals.
Let's find some animals to pet. Don't run. Do not run. Just like from Bob on Black Sheep, huh?
Dad,
Yes.
I want to wait to pet the duck. This one's really, really soft. Dad,
Yeah?
it's fighting itself.
It's probably got an itch. It's probably an itchy rabbit.
Eat it. Aw. Looks like he's left What did you say?
Let's go look at the ducks in the pond. Hold on. Okay, let's go. Isn't they cool?
Yeah, but some ducks are out, and they already took their back.
Yeah.
Two. Oh, one took out.
One just got out.
Yep. That's cute. Ooh, pretty. Pretty. Oh, look, it's so tall.
He is
Hello.
tall.
Doo-doo-doo. Adorable. Adorable. Oh, go. He's standing on me. Oh, Dad, I want to go look at those over there.
Those goats that are playing?
Oh, they're fighting, Dad.
No, they're just messing around.
Let's go look at one jump.
Yep.
See, they're fighting. Oh, that one's so adorable.
It's over here on the ground.
Daddy, look, it's a baby goat.
Yeah, it's a little goat, huh?
Not letting me go. He's not letting me go.
Oh,
He's not worth it.
that's the mama.
They've been scrapping the whole time. Like, he's not worth it.
Oh, Daddy.
The one,
That
the
one's
one in the
sneezing.
Yeah.
white is just
Dad, I saw some gummies that look like Legos.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bet you they're yummy.
And that's so cool. Look at these little puppy dogs.
They're
Little
cute,
puppy
huh?
dogs. But we can't get any.
No, we don't need any. It's kind of like Sunday at home. You have a bigger version of it.
Big Santa.
Yeah.
And an elf. That's an elf.
You're right.
That's Santa. Oh. Aw. Look at these.
Those are stained glass windows.
Cute.
I like that one with the peacock on it, huh?
I like the one with the butterfly.
Yeah, I was just about to point that one out. This one has a froggy and a dragonfly.
Cute. Oh, yeah. Grandma already has one of those.
She does?
That's cute.
I don't remember that. That's kind of cool that you do.
No. Remember, she has the truck, but not the.
Oh, the truck. You're right. Grandma does have a red truck like that.
Oh, cute.
Gnome Boulevard.
Cute.
Those are cute. Look at that, baby. They got jammies with a truck on it right there. Those are cute, huh?
Little ornament soap.
Yep.
Oh, the cheese soap.
I think that's a cheese ornament.
Daddy, come over here.
Scrubbies.
Oh, look, the cloth hanging from the...
You're right.
And it's floppy. Flop, flop, flop.
Claw, claw, claw. All kinds of cool things in here, huh? So Mads and I just finished checking out the animals and the store, which you can see behind us. It's right boop, there. And we had a snack. What do we have for snack?
Chocolate covered orange sticks.
We did have chocolate covered orange sticks. Did you like them?
Yeah.
That's my favorite thing in that whole store. How about you?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we going to do now?
Now we're gonna check out the pumpkin.
Yay! All right, let's go.
Pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patch. Here we are.
Is that the one?
Yep.
That's your pumpkin right there?
Yep.
Tell me about your pumpkin.
Well, it's big, orange, and heavy.
What color is the stem on it?
Green.
Green?
Yeah.
I thought they were all brown.
No.
You must have got lucky to find a green one.
Yeah.
Daddy's has a brown stem.
No, it doesn't.
Looks kind of brown to me. There's some green in it, you're right. And then we got these two little gourds for Grandma to put on her porch.
Yeah. This one and this one. We know she loves white, so it's this one. And we got this one. And those are Grandma's pumpkins.
So we made it home from the pumpkin patch. I had a whole lot of fun. How about you, Madison?
Yeah, I can't wait to go next year.
All right. So we're going to check it out again next year. That would make 4 years in a row that we've been at that point. I definitely recommend Nate's Butt Farm. Excuse me, I mean Bates Nut Farm. If you're ever in San Diego, or if you're a local and are just looking to check out a fun pumpkin patch, it's definitely the place to be. Isn't that right, Mads?
Yep. And you go to Bates Nut Farm to check it out.
All right, Bates Nut Farm. Remember, until next time, get outside and love your kids. So we just discovered something else about the Bates Nut Farm orange sticks. They're even delicious melted. Isn't that right, Mads?
Yep.
Yep. All right.
Thumbs up for that.
Thumbs up. All right. Bye.